Overthinkers are probably the best people to date. I know some people might think overthinking is annoying, but as an overthinker, I can tell you, you'll never find someone who cares more about you than someone who overthinks. An overthinker will get attached to you very quickly, and they will never look for anyone else besides you. As an overthinker, my mood is often tied to yours. If you're in a bad mood, I'm probably going to feel it too because I care so much about you. But here's the thing, I'll do everything in my power to lift your spirits and make sure you're okay. Overthinkers love deeply and genuinely. And while it might be intense at times, it's the kind of love that's loyal, selfless, and unwavering. We don't just think of you, we think for you, always putting your happiness first. It's not a flaw, it's our way of loving wholeheartedly. And while it may seem overwhelming at times, being with an overthinker means having someone who will never stop trying to understand you, support you, and make you feel truly valued.